Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future content. Today, we're taking a look at the Kidstar DIY Projector Night Light. This incredible device is perfect for creating the most magical and mesmerizing atmosphere in any child's room. Whether they love space and astronomy or just need a little extra comfort at bedtime, this projector light has got you covered. With its remote control and 360 adjustable design, the Kidstar DIY Projector Night Light allows you to create your own personalized galaxy right in your own room. Watch as the Astronaut and Nebula galaxy lighting dance across the walls and ceiling, creating a truly breathtaking experience for your children. This is not just a night light. It's a full-blown cosmic adventure right in your own home. Not only is this projector light fun and entertaining, but it also has a calming and soothing effect, making it the perfect addition to any bedtime routine. Say goodbye to the struggles of getting your little ones to sleep, and hello to the peaceful and tranquil environment this light creates. So, if you want to give your children the gift of a magical and enchanting experience every night, then the Kidstar DIY Projector Night Light is the perfect choice for you. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one today and make bedtime an adventure for your little ones. Don't wait. Grab yours now and let the magic begin. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.